Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 21st DVN Workshop.
The warning is right there where it is needed, in the field of view of the driver.
省電力化、あるいは低コスト化が速いスピードで実現されていきます。
So, hello ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome from BMW here at Munich. My name is René Übler, I'm part of the pre-development team of exterior lighting here at BMW.
So my presentation will speak about the Volvo sustainable digital strategy in lighting.
The Tiguan this year is the smaller brother of the Touareg, where we brought this year firstly the matrix technology.
In Renault, with a panel of 57 persons, different parameters of ADB systems have been evaluated.
All about ADB stories, medicine aspects, rating aspects, improvements, and let's say technology developments.
I am Michael Hamm. I am working at Audi, and in Audi I am responsible for the headlamp development.
The last one in this page is here the Audi e-tron headlamp with the DMD technology.
専門家の方々であり、これまでの運転経験を通してヘッドランプの性能に官能的な判断基準をお持ちだと思います。
The micro LED and the LCD system is a little bit smaller.
変更リサイクル効果系があります。機械の利用効率は 30% となっております。
An activity report on his safety and visual performance group, which is our scientific group.
It's expected that the requirements for the final rule will be relaxed from the proposed rule.
And so the cleaning systems we have now in the cars or so, they are very cheap, but not so efficient. So maybe something is to be improved